Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
I'm inviting you to open your own bird food court, what we call the Brome Bird Station, a new way to feed your backyard friends. You no longer need to look for ways to hang your feeder, you can just install it on the pole, just like this. Combining a tube feeder with the tray, which will also serve as a platform feeder, will open doors to a much larger variety of birds, inviting ground feeders to come and dine with all the other birds. You'll be amazed at how sociable birds are. Installing the station is very simple. Once you have your pole put up, it's 3 simple steps. First, insert the tray, like this. Then, insert a pole adapter into your feeder and put the whole thing on top of the pole. And there you go. Your bird station is open for business.